So in this tutorial, I'm going to use the base plate here, the base, and now I'm going to use the block, this one, and move it. Let's try to move this here, and then scale it up, and this one. There you go. And I don't want any shadow from this one. So now let's add a script. So our goal on this, let's remove this. So our goal on this thing is to make this move back and forth. So now go to the script, then we're going to make a local object. The local object is determines, or it's for the part or this object. This is the object script parent, and then local offset. So the purpose of this offset is to have the moving distance of the object, which is 50. Then the y is 0, and as well the z is 0. Oh wait, 0. Next is local movement speed. You can call it movement speed or movement, but I'm going to call it move time. And we're going to set this 5, set as 5. And this 5 means the movement speed of the object of reaching this 50 by frame rate. So now local initial position. I'm just gonna call it initial position. Position here. Object position. So the purpose of this initial position, wait. The purpose of this initial position is wherever you want to put this object in this map, it will know the object position, which is you can find the position down here, this one. Whatever the position here, wherever you want to put this on the map, when the code runs, or when the game plays, it will always move. The object will always move to 50 in the x-axis by 50. That's the purpose of this. So now we're going to call it local the end position, because first he knows this is where we're going back. First the object will go forth to the goal position, which is this one, end position, or which is this one, which is the offset. So we're gonna name now end position. End position is equals to initial position plus offset. Wherever the object is, it will just add. So the goal position is just 50. In 50, the distance is 50 with the x-axis, wherever you want to put that in the map. And now local. Now I'm going to add a function here, and then we're going to call it move back and forth. Close open parenthesis, and then now we're going to call I'm gonna name it twin info, because we're gonna call the twin info here that new. Move time, we're going to call the movement speed, and then the enum. Enum means enumeration of easing style dot linear. So the meaning of this linear enum style is the animation of the object while it's moving. And then We're going to call it again enum that easing direction dot in and out. So enum is also for the can this enum direction, this thing is inside of twin info. Oh no, and since we're using the twin info, we're gonna call the local twin equals game get service and then twin service. Since we're using the twin info, we're going to use the twin service. We're going to call the twin service. So create object, the object, the the moving object that we wanted to make. So twin info again. Now we're going to let the twin service know the position of the end position. Wait, no, there you go. This is actually twin one because we need to do the initial position as well. So just copy that, then rename it as twin one, and then initial. There you go. So now, since we have twin one and twin two, the in position and the initial position set up, we're going to make it a while or the loop while true. Please do the twin one, execute twin one to play. So it will do this first twin one. It will first go to the end position because the first position of the object is this one. It will just like that. The twin one that completed. If it's complete, then wait. Then do the twin two again. Play and then twin two. When the twin two complete, just wait as well. There you go. Well, the wait is default by 1 seconds, I think. So, and after that, we're just going to call the movement back and forth function, which is this one. Because the program will read this first, this one, it will always read the first, and then by the end of the program or the reading of the program, it will then read this, execute this. But it will not stop because it is while through. It's a loop. So let's try it. Let's play to know if the program is working or not. I hope then there you go, gamers. Developers. It's now moving. But the problem, oh, there's no problem. What? Yeah, by the way, there's actually a problem. Let me try to rescale this. Wait. Oh wait, I think like this and then scale it like that. Like that. Scale it like that. Let's play. This is actually the one that they use with the obby race moving object. But the problem here is it's because it's collided. Collided is true, so players can collide with this. Look at that. And that's a big problem of your game. You don't want this in your game, right? Moving object. So in order to fix this, if you don't know, just click this and then disable the can collide, this one. So players can just bypass this object. But the problem if you don't set this as an anchor, like no anchor and then can collide is false. Let's play. If you don't know, I must show you. Look at that. It's just gone and then yeah, it will. In short, it will go down and up. bypass the object as well. So that's why we need to lock this object, set this as an anchor. So yeah, it will just go back and forth like this. So now we can now bypass this. The player can no longer disturb this object. And I hope this tutorial is helpful to you guys if you want to make obby or anything. And if you want to learn more, probably I will upload more tutorial soon about objects and anything about the game. I might cover up um, a whole game that you just need to edit it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video help. Again, subscribe to make you awesome.